Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford F-150 brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Always ensure your truck is on a level surface with the parking brake engaged for safety. After loosening the lug nuts, raise the vehicle and secure it properly on jack stands before removing the wheel. Next, we'll focus on removing the old brake pads. Begin by locating and loosening the two caliper guide pin bolts, which are often 7mm or 13mm. Once these are loose, carefully lift the caliper off the rotor. Remember to hang the caliper securely using a bungee cord or wire to prevent damage to the brake line. Then, simply slide out the worn brake pads. Now it's time to install your new brake pads. Before placing the new pads, use a C-clamp to gently compress the caliper piston back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they are seated correctly. Then, guide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor, aligning the guide pins. For the final steps, reinsert and securely tighten the caliper guide pin bolts. Once the caliper is firmly in place, reinstall the wheel, ensuring all lug nuts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Carefully lower your F-150 back to the ground. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to properly seat the new pads and restore firm pedal pressure. Drive cautiously for the first 50 to 100 miles.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.